What is up, guys? Welcome to my unboxing of the Elgato Camlink 4K. This is a device that basically lets you hook up your mirrorless camera, your DSLR, or any type of video camera up to your computer, and as you can see here, use it as a webcam. The Camlink 4K takes HDMI input from a camera and translates it into video at up to 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. Elgato says the device supports Discord, OBS Studio, and Skype, as well as other programs. You can see the full list of camera support at their website, which will be in the description down below. The actual ultra low latency technology gets you up and running on your favorite platform almost in no time with no difference. Basically, your camera has never felt more powerful. So in the box, you obviously get where you can download the software at. As you can see right here, it says, focus, you take your cameras and you use a cord that hooks up your camera. In my case, it's going to be the Insignia mini HDMI cable. That's going to hook up to your camera, and then the HDMI part is actually going to hook up to this right here, to the back of the Camlink, maybe. There we go. So the HDMI goes in here, and then this goes to a USB 3.0 port in your computer. And that's going to read it basically as a webcam. And there's also, in the box, you get this extender. Basically, hook it up there, goes into there, gets you a little bit more range. You get an Elgato sticker, and paperwork down at the bottom of the box that just is not wanting to come out. Underneath, this basically tells you all the Federal Communication Commission interface statement. So you get, once again, you get the boxes that it comes in. Right here, simplify your workflow, level up your content, plug and produce, easy connect any camera via HDMI. So inside of it, you got the Camlink 4K, the extender, paperwork, and the Elgato sticker. And as always, have a great day.